But Ian, how are you?
Yeah, great, Callum. I was just thinking about going out portable in the snow, but I thought I'd just check what the bands are like. But I've just been up on 10 and it's slim pickings up there, so maybe not a good day for DX, Roger.
Well, what did we have? Oh, we had Kurt. Used to be ON70FF. He turned up in Thailand. He gave me a call on 10.
Some of the minor roads are still just full of snow, but there's a place I can go on the North York Moors, and I was just umming and ahhing whether to go out with the gear and just to see who's out there. I'll let you go and get some more before you close down. But nice to catch up, and I'll toss a coin and see if I go portable. G0 CNN.
Well, I'd always say yes, right? Because I just think you should, and you'll end up with more memories. Ian, okay, well, I'll make you my last. You take care. Happy weekend, mate.
Yeah, something to you, Callum. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Thanks. All right, so I am QRT.
So here we are. This is the top of Calton Bank with Teesside to the north. It's Snow City still here. Paragliders out and about from the top up there. There's still lots of snow. Unfortunately, as you can see, I've got to park on a wonk on this lay-by, so putting a big telescopic pole on that side of the car overhanging the road might not be a good idea, so I'll just judge that. I might just use the Ampro whips. But lovely day up here, warm in the sun, and yeah, lovely and quiet. That was handy. One of the cars moved. I'm not so on a wonk now, and I've got a bit of clear space. I'm next to these trees though, but anyway, we'll see. Right, so about 5 minutes later, DX Commander expedition pole through the towing eye, tied to the back tyre, and we've got the 10 metre 5/8, so that's the base of the antenna, that coil there, and up to the top. Nice calm day. Plugged into the HF socket. I've took off the VHF and straight into the rig. So we're in the car. There's a bit of some reflection going on. Apologies for that. So we've got okay on receive so far. Got the laptop running. Got cat control. Got USB with an adapter into the rig in the boot. Got a really weak phone signal, so I might be just using it for logging rather than lookups. But anyway, we'll see how we get on. Now, as per earlier videos, the disadvantage of a glass roof is you don't have much of a ground plane, but the advantage is in daylight you can see what your antenna's doing, so there's always a plus side.
November Oscar 5 Golf. November Oscar 5 Golf. Good afternoon. You're 5959 plus, over. USL, you're 59 Louisiana, 9 Philip, over.
Golf 0 Charlie November November portable.
Golf 0 Charlie November November. Strong portable, you 57, Roger.
Roger Ray, name is Ian, India Alpha November Ian, and you're a lovely 5'9" into the northeast of England, Roger.
Okay, thank you for 5973, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 73.
November 3, United Sierra.
QRZ again.
United Tokyo 0 Nancy Ontario. Report for you is also 5x9, very strong. My name is Serge, Sierra Echo Radio Golf Echo. Serge is my name. My QTH is 100 kilometers per west from city Uman, central Ukraine. I'm looking at your QRZ.com page, very good check. I'm using in this moment also a TS-B2000 very good radio. 200 watts, 3 element Yagi, 21 meters height, beaming to you. Roger?
Roger, Roger, Serg. Thanks for the station report. Well, I'm parked up in the car on a hill. It's very snowy, Serg. I'm on a hill. I'm using a TS-2000 100 watts into a 5/8 vertical. 5/8 vertical on the car. Lovely signal, Roger.
Okay, Roger. Very good. Very good signal. Good modulation. Clear modulation. Thank you for contact, PM. Good luck. Good day. Nice weekend to you and your family. 7 to 3. Bye bye.
Alpha 3, Alpha Lima Yankee, over. Romeo, United 3. We prefer to dive calling CQ10. This is 4XA5, Lima Lima, calling CQ and standing by, over.
Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable.
Queen 4, Germany, Echo Whiskey. Whiskey, Whiskey America, India Radio 0, WW America, Quartet.
Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Roger. Negative Golf 0 3210 Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Roger.
Roger. Golf 0 Charlie November portable, 59, Roger.
Roger, Roger, a 5973, ciao. And as you move up and down the band, there's lots of these WWA stations for the awards, so there's always somebody on the band. Work this Portuguese station.
9 Alpha 9 Oscar 59. 9 Alpha 9 Oscar,
Blues in the Sun. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. He's popular. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Roger 59, thank you.
It's Kilo, Juliet 6, Yankee X-Ray India.
Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable.
The Golf station that's portable, the Golf station portable.
Roger, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. Germany 0, Canada, Norway, Norway portable.
Roger that, 100%. We got you in there. I believe that's Ian. We got it in there. You are about a 5 and 6, 5 and 7 into Tango November, the Smoky Mountains of the Appalachia. How copy there? Roger that, Roger that. Fantastic job with the 100 watts in a vertical, making the trip across the pond, as they say. Great sounding station, no problem hearing you whatsoever. What portable antenna that you're using that's a vertical?
Yeah, Roger, Roger. I think your name's Miguel. My logbook's caught up, HI, and you're actually peaking 5.9, Miguel. And yes, so I'm using a TS-2000 in the boot, a remote head unit on the dashboard, 100 watts into coax 5/8 vertical. Roger.
Roger, Roger. 100% copy. No problem hearing you whatsoever. Making the fine trip across the pond. Thank you so much for Golf 0, Charlie, November, stroke portable. This is Kilo Juliet 6, Yankee X-Ray India. All the best, 2025.
Roger Miguel, nice to work you for the first time. Yes, enjoy the weekend and Happy New Year. 73G0 CNN Portable. Bye-bye. For technical reasons, I lost audio on a few clips. This one's worth inserting. This was Puerto Rico, another WWA station, so pleased to get into South America. So here I've taken off the pole, so I'm classing myself as mobile now because I could drive off. So I've taken off the pole and the 5/8 and added this 20 metre ham stick, this Ampro ham stick. Still need the trees, but see how we get on 20. Bands aren't too good today though. Back in the car, 2 degrees on the dash. It's warm in the sun until it goes, and then it's quite chilly. Because we've got a shack in the box rig, it's just a case of pressing the button down to 20 metres and away we go. And on 20 there were lots more of these WWA stations for the WRTC awards and keeping the bands busy. Then I had a quick change over to 40 metres. We've got a good bandwidth on 40 on the whip, so I can, the top 100 I'm okay, and I can use the tuner if I need to. Calling CQ, hello CQ, Golf 0 Charlie, November mobile, Golf 0 Charlie, November mobile, calling CQ and standing by. There's a barn owl over there. That's it, there he is. Hello CQ, Golf 0 Charlie, November. Mike 0 Uniform Delta India, do you copy? Golf 0 Charlie, November mobile. Roger, Robbie, G0 CNN Mobile, Ian, Roger.
Hello Ian, I just got something in the middle here. Are you good signal here Ian? 5-9, go ahead.
Roger, you're 5-9 here, Robbie, as well. Lovely signal. I'm parked up on at the top of a hill in on the edge of North Yorkshire in Teesside. You're a lovely signal. The band's chock-a-block. You're 5-9, Roger.
You're the same. Yeah, I just found a little plot. I wasn't sure it's probably get swamped, but you're good 9. I've got a little Tiger G90 20 watts double extended zap. Go ahead.
Oh, Roger. Well, I'm using, I've got an Ampro whip on the car, so I'm a bit compromised on this band. 100 watts from a TS-B2000, so that's the TS-2000 without the display on the front, and that's in the boot on a mobile install. I've got a remote head on the dash, Robbie. I've just been watching a barn owl swoop about, Roger. G0 CNN Mobile, yeah, Roger, Robbie. Well, today is amazing. It's freezing outside and snow, but on the back of the car there's no wind, and the sun was on me, so I'm just in shirt sleeves. So I've been putting up poles, swapping antennas, admiring the view, just in shirt sleeves, Robbie. It's only now the sun's gone, it's getting a bit chilly. I've put the engine on to warm the seat up, Roger.
Well, you're putting on an extra shift. Put it in the, pulling the energy, I guess, Ian, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger, Robbie, yes, we've had our fair share of snow. Oh yeah, Roger, yeah, thanks for that. And yes, you mentioned YouTube earlier. I've been recording the odd little clip, so I might sneak you in, Roger.
Blimey, I'm not sure that's a good thing. I will look forward to that, Ian.
73 Robbie, MM0 UDI, G0 CNN mobile. Right, so it's off with this. This is the 40-metre whip, and I'll put the 2-metre on the other side. It was actually cheaper for me to make 2 mounts and feed them than buy the triplex that wasn't in stock. Right, ready to go. Battery's still going strong. 40's obviously gone off now. Got no antenna, so down to 2-metre FM. Nobody about. I can put out a call, see what's what. Hello CQ, G0 CNN mobile, Golf 0 Charlie November mobile, calling CQ.
G0 MBV.
Yeah, G0 MBV. Do you want to try 450?
Yeah, good one.
There you go, someone to talk to. But I picked a few off on different bands, tried a few different antennas, and I thought I'd just put 2 meters on for the way home, Roger.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah, Roger, John. Well, who says 2 meters dead? There's 1, 2, 4 of us on now.
Like I say, I'm not sure whether she's on her way back down again. Afternoon to you, John. I'm getting you no problem. You're about 5 and 7, 5 and 8 with me, over.
You're 5 and 3. Just
Nice one. Anyway, nice speaking to you. And I'll catch up with you later, Ian. And I can't hear Paul. I know who he is, but I can't hear him. Catch you all later. Cheers for now, G0 MBV, Paul.
So, yeah, I don't know what went on. It did start to snow a little bit on the way down. I don't know if that affected anything. Back to you, Mark.
Yeah, G0, you okay returning? Yeah, that'll be Paul M0TZR. Harvey should remember that. His call sign's after a motorbike. But there's Ian on frequency as well, G0 CNN, and John as well, G4 GSF.
Yeah, G0 CNN mobile. No, it wasn't Paul. It was well, it was a different Paul actually. I've forgotten his call now. PQV, I think, in Peterlee. He said he'd worked his Sharon. So you're halfway up the bank where that folly is, that stone hut, Roger.
Yeah, that's a Roger, yeah. Ian, yeah, I'm just heading into the woods in a minute, so I'm coming up to the gate, so I don't know if I'll lose anybody when I go in there. I'm not sure.
Well, what a lovely day that was. The bands weren't great, but I'm glad I took Callum's advice and go out. It was a good day after all. I even made a 77's mobile QSO on the way home, which was a first. So truly all band mobile and portable ops. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you ring the bell when you subscribe, you'll be notified of all new videos when they're released and you won't miss out. 73.